are sentenced to a period of 5 years imprisonment. In respect of count 2, you are sentenced to a period of 2 years imprisonment. In respect of count 3, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 4, you are sentenced to 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In respect of count 5, you are sentenced to pay an amount, a fine of 20,000 rand or to undergo 6 months imprisonment. In terms of section 280, subsection 2 of Act 51 of 1977, the court ordered that the sentence imposed in respect of counts 2, 3, 4, and 5 run concurrent with the sentence imposed in respect of count 1.
Yes, the court pleases.
Anyway, guys, the sports, art, and culture minister, Gaden McKenzie, reacted to the current situation, and people are not happy. For those who don't know, Julius Malema is currently trending #1. Guys, he was sentenced to 5 years in prison, and people are saying, oh, no, it is totally unfair. He doesn't deserve what is going on. Others are saying, oh, it will teach him his lesson. Next time, he will not do it again. He thinks he runs South Africa, guys. So Gaden McKenzie took to Instagram, and this is what, to Twitter, and this is what he has to say. Dear media, I'll not be giving any comment regarding the sentencing of Mr. Malema except pray for him and his family. Prison is a tough on families. I don't celebrate when tragic befall people, even on my enemies. He said that Gaden McKenzie, he will not celebrate Julius Malema going to prison, even though they are not friends. They always fight. They don't get along, but he will not come here on social media or give anything to the media so that the media can use this against Julius Malema. He will just keep quiet and mind his own business. And people are asking him, where do you involve yourself? This has nothing to do with you. Guys, the EFF members, the fan base, they are crashing out on Twitter. Guys, the people are saying, Gaden McKenzie, you need to learn to own your mind, your own business. This has nothing to do with you. Allow the EFF members to do whatever they do to protect their leaders. When I keep quiet and focus on sports, that's your job. Do what you are employed to do here in South Africa as the Minister of Sports, Art, and Culture. So, guys, some people are saying, the reason why Julius Malema is going to prison. So some EFF members, they're saying, the government is trying to destroy a career of Julius Malema, guys, and they know very well, 12 months imprisonment is going to be hard for Julius Malema to come back. Elections are very close, so they will do anything to weak a career of Julius Malema as a politician. So people are saying a lot of stuff. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please